This is definitely a special outfit, yeah.
Something.
Okay, if you'd just like to tell me about what we've just seen.
I do believe that was a Lycra Diamante one-piece jumpsuit.
How do you feel about that?
Not very good.
Daytime wear,
nightwear. Definitely nightwear.
We just found out that the whole river freezes, which is just crazy because it's so big and it seems like it's moving pretty fast. And yeah, you've seen the people swimming over there. Not advised, apparently, thanks to Honto Maps. Just like to remind everyone again that this river freezes during winter. It freezes.
So this is the cow that's been terrorising the neighbourhood all today. We've seen it three times now. It just wanders around on its own accord, nobody seems to own it, and just goes into people's gardens and starts eating their grass, whoever has the best grass, and they just kind of shoo it out of the way. And now it's like on our street just outside our hostel, so...
Frolicking on the beach by Carl style. For the dramatic effect. Wet foot. It's cold. It's really cold.
So it's our first day in Mongolia, and one of the strange things we've just kind of noticed just walking around the streets is, you can see it behind me, people seem to be running businesses with like house telephones in the middle of the street. Like you can just walk up and make a phone call off these house phones.
This is for you, Mum.